ay kakain muna. Ayun ang mga bata natin. Hey, what's up, guys? Say good morning, Buday. Alright. Welcome inside. Ay, mag-almusal muna.
Press 1.
Press 1. Alright. Alright. It's time to attack, Budoy. Right. Oh. Ano nga. Yeah. Kainan. Alright. Oh. Let's go. How to tackle this? This one. Oh. Brown sugar. Oatmeal. Oh, my itlog. Cheese. Attack, Budoy. What to do? Oh, may have a waffle maker here. Yeah. Can you make me one? Do it. I don't know how to do it. Oh.
I think that's how it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
That's it enough.
And then, yeah, spray it. That's a spray, but I will make a. There.
Is that it? Or do I just grab the other one?
Yeah.
No, I think it's ready to put it on. Go ahead.
There.
Why do you have to take a video of everything?
Yeah. It's gonna make my shape, man.
Do it in one time. Because it's gonna be hard. My God, we're getting more.
Buddha is a shape.
Because we have one at home.
More.
Everything. Because you need to, everything. Even the line.
You just said yours got burnt earlier.
Yeah, I'll burn my stuff.
I want toasted Buddha. Yeah, pour it, everything. Pour it.
Add it now.
Yeah, close it.
This,
Yeah.
flip it. How you flip it? Okay. Oh man, I make a mess. You flip it?
I'm not having.
No, the other side.
All right, Buddha's. Flip it back. All right, and then open it. Ooh, that's a good job now. See, got it.
You need help?
Yeah, done it.
You get to like this.
Put your finger in there. There you go. That's Buddha.
Look.
To make an evidence, Budoy. Wow. Pil na pil. Alright. Eh po si Pretty Boy, pangalawa na yung balik yan. Wala. Tapos sungkitin. Oh, perfect. There. Tapos ito. Yeah. itlog. Yun. Ano? Yeah. Yan. Nasaan yun?
Ha? Oo.
Kuha naman tayo ng kapay. Alright. Gourmet. May taas gourmet. Kung wari, social tayo. Yan. We're gonna go later.
Ganda yung mga apartment.
Mukha naman.
Apartment tapos ball na. Always, ha?
Yup. You need to tell your
You know,
friends.
I
eh.
meet a guy who's a blogger. He doesn't work. That's the only
Kumakatok
work
daw
that he
siya
has.
na ano. Ano oras kang malis? Kumakatok daw sila daw hindi ata pinagbukan. Kumakatok.
Turistang gutom.
That's it.
Turistang gutom.
Nakakala sila magkumain.
And okay. Turistang gutom. Pwede.
Hindi nga alam.
Sanga ikaw mag-ano.
Alam mo.
Hindi niya alam spelling mo. Tagalog yun eh.
Mm-hmm. Kaya parang bahay yung kwarto dito. May mga nakatira na.
Ha?
Yung mga ano,
There.
nakilala ko marin. Dalawang taon na
Ah,
daw
yung
siya dito.
lalaki yata. Nakasabay.
Dalawang taon na daw siya dito.
Baka yung
Yeah.
nakasabay natin dun sa elevator. Yung pinauna mo.
Oh.
Dalawang taon
Yung
na
ba naglaba?
alis na daw siya.
No, on this moment. That is
What do you want to do now, Louis? Just chilling?
Ayun tayo, almusal.
Work out later, work out.
Mga bata nagising yan ano.
Yeah.
Naririnig ko. Ubo na ubo. Hindi ko pinainom na gamot.
You sleep at 6.
Nakalimutan ko.
Dry yun. Yung isa, ganda.
Scramble.
Ano nakalimutan mo? Ang dami ng plato mo. May nakalimutan ka pa.
Ay, pailamin ng kabo.
Oo.
Kayo yung mamaya.
Kaya pala ubo na ubo yun.
Pagkain natin.
Hindi ka nakatulog ka ubo. Tulog ba yan?
Tulog yan, sinilip.
Every 4 hours you should drink that.
Yeah.
Para matanggal.
Sinilip ko yan kagabi.
6 hours?
Nasusuka nga eh.
Hmm?
Nasusuka sa kanina. Sa banyo.
Basta, sa busog. Ano oras?
Alas 10, gusto niya siguro. Nagising ako sa 30. Banyo ako. Sabi.
Good job, Buday. Use your other hand, Buday. Use your other hand.
Ang mainit yan.
No.
Hindi,
Malamig. Oh, all right, perfect. Round 2 for Budaysky.
How about you?
Right. Your dad's gonna be proud of you, man.
Master chef of the
Yep.
waffle. Alright guys. Goodbye. Enjoy your meal.
Just tell me. Have a day.
Yeah.
Then how about toast? Punta mo sila. Punta mo sila. Sabi ba yung sinerch mo? Tayo naghihintay rito magbukas ang Ray. Ano? Ray. Sama yung dalawa kong pamangkin. Si Buday and Budoy in the house. No, in my YouTube vlog, man. In my house. Ano, si Bossing naglilinis na, nag-aanra na sa kanyang mga customer.
Don't forget about me.
That's Cappy right here.
Yeah, don't forget about me. I'll
Yeah.
leave you alive. Don't forget. Subscribe now.
Yeah. I know.
I'll be in your dreams if you don't subscribe.
Thank you, Buday.
And I'm gonna be.
Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Golden morning.
Nasisira ang vlog ko sa'yo sa libag ng
No
windshield mo.
more worries, no more fear. Just
Sa
you
libag ng
and
windshield.
me, the sky
There's a lot of
so
people.
clear.
Right side.
Got no map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street.
Mababara.
Brand new world under our feet. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free. Dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me. Travel with me, where dreams run deep. Over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me. Sipping coffee in small cafes, writing postcards along the way, singing songs under neon skies, painting the world with you and I. Got no.
That's good. Mm-mm.
Okay, very good. Okay. But yeah, you can tell her too.
Gabi siya, Juliana. On the side, that side. You paid already. Yes, it's Carmel.
On your card, whenever you're ready.
There's no buy one get one. There's no discount.
Ano?
No.
Yes,
Oh yeah, I was, right?
Yeah. But the parking is free, right?
Yes.
All right. Awesome. I'll stay at the car. I'll support with them.
store hours.
Where's your phone? Where's your phone?
No.
Take a picture.
Okay, very good. So we have 5 here. Okay. Yeah, very good. And anyone else? Are we all set?
We're good.
Okay. Do you want me to give you a quick rundown, or are you
Yeah,
okay?
please. Quick rundown. Check it out. Here, listen. Go ahead.
Okay, and here we are here. You're going to veer to the right, head straight back into the Basilica. And then here is number 10. This is the final resting place of St. Nipro Serra, the founder of the mission. And then behind is the Munros Museum. Great video history, a lot of artifacts in there.
Rundown.
And then to the left is number 8, the Mission Cemetery, and from there the beautiful courtyard. And as you go into the Joe Moore Chapel, you'll start seeing galleries and museums and the residence of St. Nicholas there. And you end the tour through the Mission Store, And the restrooms are 13 and 14 by the Munros and the right-hand corner of the courtyard. Okay.
All right.
Good?
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too.
That's the limit.
Ito tayo sa Carmel Church. Ayan.
Ito yung libingan ng mga papa.
Alin? Yun nga sinabi niya, yung...
Bishops.
Yung...
Ito yung libingan. This is the cemetery of the
Yung nagano, yung tawag rito?
Take a picture.
Rest in peace, guys.
Hey guys.
1903, 1980, Harry Downey, native of San Francisco.
Oh, it's Harry Downey. That's when oh, it's called California was. No, but like
Mabel Downey, October 26, 1913 to April 24, 1981.
Bordello. Oh shit! So my dad kind of recent.
Yeah. So, old cemetery. Yung mga sinaunang libingan.
So most of these graves are mostly the Native Americans.
Yan po yung mga tour guide ko. Yung dalawa, nauuna. Ano ba ito? Pala yung bridal party. Oh. Ganda. Ayan yung sinaunang poon. Tapos ito naman yung sinaunang kumpisalan. Ayan. Bawal lang maumpisal rin. Gawa ng marami nang naumpisal.
Exactly. We lovingly say we hate cats. Because it can be, people come in here and they're like, where do we go? And, where's the bathroom? And, so we have signage and people in the
Ito naman yung open space. Sinimpa. Vincent. Josephine and Lila. Yan ang kabuuan.
Saan pa?
Baka doon meron
Sa'yo in-explain eh. Punta tayo doon.
kaya tayo dito.
Ano ka?
May tao doon eh.
Yan naman yung Carmel rito sa side. Saka sa fountain. Yan.
Dalawa, apat sila. Dito tapos.
Saka may cross na malaki. Yung kulay itim. Excuse me. Yeah. That's the photographer, Vincent. That's the model, Juliana, right here. Like, shout out to you. Siya na unang building. Yung header kahoy pa. Ito. Tapos may upuan. Tatapos ang ating pasyal.
Papi.
Right, the gang is here. Bang kwarto naman. Excuse me. May lumang kalesa. Ibang kwarto naman natin. As mga sinaunang libro. Library pala yun. Ito. Ito naman dining room. Ito naman. Ayan ang mga plato nilang nagamit. May sabawan. Ayun yung ano nila. Ang tawag sa atin na yan. Meron si inang na yan. Nakalimutan ko. Ito naman yung pugon. Ito yung kalan nila. Sa taas yung mga kawali. Yan naman yung kalan nila. Ayan. Good. Sorry. Kwarto. Father's bedroom. Sinaunang kama. Balat ng hayop ang kanyang pangsalo. Yan ang upuan. Cabinet, baul, sinauna. Grand sala. Bawal pumasok eh. Pinto, nakalak. Parang ramit yun. kayo makapasok na may mga harang. Pasok na tayo rito sa ito na yung ano nila, tinrahan. Pasada.
Be careful.
Tayo, palabas na tayo. Inunahan na tayo ng Buday. That's Buday na din, that's my niece. Alright.
The one who voiced the Cappy.
Cappy?
Yeah, Cappy, I voiced him.
Oh.
Hello, I'm Cappy.
That's Cappy.
Here's this buddy.
Her stop toys.
Yeah, honestly,
You leave Cappy alone. You leave at the room. So ito na po nagtatapos ang ating pasyal rito sa Carmel Church. Go ahead. Anywhere. Ayan. Turistang Gutom signing up. Sa muling pagkikita, paalam. Please like, share, and subscribe.